How to set default printer in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can set default printer on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that you have to go to your settings, click on the search icon and head over to the settings on your device. Navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, go to Bluetooth and devices. From here, there's an option for printers and scanner, click on it. So under your printer or scanner section, you have to find the printer that you want to set as your default, click on it. So under your printer name, there you'll find an option to set it as a default. Click on the button that says set as default. That's it. That's how you can set default printer on Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.